Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. If you thought the BMW M2 had already peaked, think again. Because BMW just dropped the 2026 M2 CS, a compact coupe that's gone from sharp to razor-edged. More power, less weight, carbon fiber all over, and performance numbers that rival supercars twice its price. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into everything you need to know about the new BMW M2 CS, from performance specs and handling upgrades, to design changes, tech, pricing, and our verdict. This is the most complete breakdown on YouTube. Let's go! Performance and powertrain. Let's start with the beating heart of the M2 CS. Under the hood, you'll find BMW's iconic S58 engine, a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six. But it's not the same one found in the standard M2. Oh no. This one's been dialed up to deliver a jaw-dropping 523 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. That's 50 more horses and 36 lb-ft more torque than the base M2. And that extra power matters, especially on the track or even an aggressive canyon run. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and while some enthusiasts may long for a manual, this autobox is quick, intuitive, and keeps the CS focused on one thing: speed. BMW claims 0-60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. But based on how previous M cars have outperformed their official figures, we wouldn't be surprised to see real-world times closer to 3.5 seconds. And don't forget, this car is rear-wheel drive, making it a true purist's performance coupe. Handling and weight reduction. Power is only half the equation. Weight and balance matter just as much. That's why BMW went all in on reducing mass wherever they could. Compared to the standard M2, the CS sheds about 97 pounds, bringing the curb weight down to a leaner, meaner profile. BMW achieved this using carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP, for the roof, hood, trunk lid, and even the interior panels like the center console. Less weight means quicker acceleration, better braking, and tighter cornering. But there's more. The M2 CS gets a unique suspension tune, featuring revised dampers and stiffer bushings to sharpen turn-in and reduce body roll. Add to that staggered lightweight forged wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and you've got a compact coupe that eats corners for breakfast. Design and aerodynamics. Let's talk looks, because the 2026 BMW M2 CS doesn't just feel fast, it looks fast standing still. The front fascia is more aggressive, with a black kidney grille exclusive to the CS. The profile is sleeker, and at the rear, you'll notice the integrated carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, a functional piece that adds downforce while giving a subtle nod to the legendary E30 Famken M3. The wheels are forged alloys, 19 inches in the front and 20 in the rear. And the standard brake package includes beefy cross-drilled rotors and massive calipers finished in red. And let's not forget the exclusive paint options. BMW hasn't revealed the full color palette yet, but expect bold hues like frozen Portimao blue and Sao Paulo yellow to turn heads. Interior and tech. Step inside the M2 CS and it's immediately clear. This car is for the driver. You get M carbon bucket seats, deeply bolstered and wrapped in Alcantara, with red contrast stitching and illuminated CS badging. They're snug, lightweight, and track-ready. The steering wheel? Wrapped in Alcantara as well, with a red center marker at 12 o'clock. Classic motorsport detail. Carbon fiber is everywhere. The dashboard, the console, the door pulls. It's lightweight, yes, but also visually stunning. And in terms of tech, it's got everything modern drivers need. The CS runs on BMW's operating system 8.5, offering a wide, curved display for the instrument cluster and infotainment. You'll get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, customizable, drive modes, and optional head-up display. Price, release date, and verdict. The 2026 BMW M2 CS starts at $99,775, a full $30,000 more than the base M2. That's a steep premium, but remember, this is a limited production model built for purists and collectors alike. Deliveries are expected to begin in Q3 of this year, and demand will likely outpace supply. So, is it worth it? If you're after the sharpest, most focused version of BMW's smallest M car, something that balances street manners with real track capability, the M2 CS is absolutely worth it. It's the kind of car that reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. What do you think of the 2026 BMW M2 CS? Is this the ultimate driver's coupe? Or is nearly $100K too much for a compact performance car? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the hottest new cars on the market. Forza where you want it.